Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today, I'm going to be playing with some edible slime. Let's get right into the video. Alright. Okay, we got some sprinkles and we got some flavors. Okay.
Let me see the box.
So there's instructions of how to use it. So Mom. Alright, so do I need water? So I got a little bitty spoon for some reason. So they have, so let me show you all the flavors.
Pick one.
They got some banana, they got cherry, and they got blueberry. But I'm gonna pick what?
Look at them, not me.
I'm gonna pick banana. I'm gonna pick banana.
Okay, so you're gonna open it and then you're gonna pour half into that bowl.
Okay. She said half. There, I think that's enough. What's next? What's next is this shit, Mom.
Then you're gonna pick out your first candy loop. So which candy you wanna put in there?
One of these. This one. Open it up. Open it up a system, Mom.
Hang on.
Of course I need a water.
Okay, now use that spoon and put 4 scoops of water in there.
Okay. One.
Make sure it's full.
2, 3, 4. Okay, it looks like egg yolk. Ew.
You have to stir it until all the powder dissolves.
Smells cool. What's next is this?
No, you gotta keep stirring it. Okay, then you need to let it sit for 10 minutes. So we'll be back in 10 minutes.
Bye guys. Okay guys, so now we're gonna take it out and we're gonna taste it. Mmm. It tastes pretty good. Can't get I don't know how people play with this. I don't think I should put this on the table, guys. It looks like egg yolk. Okay. Oh, it's sticking all right.
Wait, get it off the table, eh?
I Oh my
You gotta mix it with your hands.
I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
So it was a fail. Get it off that table. Hurry up before you stain it. Taste it. What it tastes like?
It tasted really good.
But it's not slime quality.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is a fail, but it's actually really good. Just don't try this at home. So make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bells, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.